The following video provides step-by-step instructions for replacing the motor trigger switch for the HE&M NG120, NG120XL, ABS NG120XL, NG160, and ABS NG160 utility band saws. Begin by turning off the power switch and disconnecting the electrical power to the saw before proceeding with any work. Remove the screws from the back side of the handle. Remove the loose handle half and set the screws and handle half off to the side. Gently remove the trigger switch from the fixed handle side. Note that there are two wire leads connected to the trigger switch. Each wire is held on with a small slotted lockdown screw. Note which connection each wire is connected to. Loosen the screws slightly and gently pull the wire lead out of each connection. Insert the correct wire ends into the new switch and tighten the lockdown screws. Press the new switch back into the fixed side of the handle and reinstall the handle half. After the removable handle half is reinstalled, reconnect the power. Turn the power switch on the saw to the on position and test the switch by starting the saw several times with the new trigger switch to verify that the motor starts and that the problem has been corrected. If there are still problems with the motor starting, open the handle to verify that the wires are correctly connected and are tightly fastened. If the wires appear to be correct, refer to the armature cleaning video provided on the HE&M support webpage. If there are still issues with the motor starting, contact your HE&M utility saw representative.